Hi Christina, Spencer from Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. To my right is the vehicle you inquired about, our 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250. Let's take a closer look. The exterior of the vehicle is done in a mountain gray metallic. GLA is the smaller crossover size in the SUV lineup. Up front we have Mercedes-Benz emblems, a little bit chrome work here in the grille, and some nice kind of satin finishes in the grille and along that front bumper as well. Little fog lights down on the bottom. The GLA, again, crossover size means you have a small maneuverable vehicle while not sacrificing a little bit of off-road and bad weather capability. So a little bit of height there. And the ride height, we have a 4MATIC all-wheel drive system going on all four wheels. Nice little chrome work along our window frames. Again, a smaller size vehicle, but you still have space in the back, you still have space in the trunk. And around to the rear, GLA 250 and 4MATIC badging. That's the all-wheel drive system. To open up the trunk, this button right here clicks open. You can see we have floor mats with the seats down, as you can see from there. Lots of storage space, tons of room, and this little privacy cover comes out as well if you don't want to use it. A beautiful crystal gray interior. To close the trunk, all you have to do, press the button right there, and it closes automatically. Nice taillights in the back, a dual tip exhaust. It's a beautiful interior. Let's take a closer look at the inside. Inside the GLA, we can take a closer look at the interior. As I mentioned, it's a crystal gray, so a nice light interior. We have a darker upper dash, steering wheel here. Looking at the dashboard, we do have our center display. This controls our radio, multimedia, phone, Bluetooth connectivity, all displayed on this little tablet here on the dashboard. Air vents, we have heated seats, vehicle driving modes, automatic start-stop, our shortcut operation, keypad, volume control, all done right from here. Below that, a dual zone climate control system, cup holders. Now looking at the steering wheel, we have phone control and volume control on the right, screen operation for our center screen on the left, automatic lights, automatic wipers, controlled from this stalk right here, and the automatic lights down below on the corner. You might not be able to see it. We have power and memory seats for both the driver and the passenger, blind spot monitoring systems in the door mirrors. A really nice set of options. Wanted to do just a short video tour, give you a quick look at this vehicle. If you have any questions, I am more than happy to answer them for you. Once again, my name is Spencer, 207-210-4796. That's my cell phone number. My email is sroe, that's SROE, @driveprime.com. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.